Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Scrabble Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Here, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now tap on the change button of the language option. Here you can see a list of languages to choose from. Select one according to your preference. Then tap on Continue button. So that is how you can change language on Scrabble Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.